like an Eagle truck. You see that? Okay, it's about 8:30 in the morning. It's about 8:45 in the morning, about 27 degrees, and we're gonna kick off a new season of biking with cameras. For this video, I'm gonna change it up a little bit and just commute to work a few times with my trusty GW690III and see what kind of treasures the spring thaw has provided us. Maybe I'll shoot the entire roll today, maybe it'll take me a week and a half. Who knows? We'll find out. Also, I have about 10 minutes to get to work, so I'm probably not shooting anything on this morning. On the way back, it's gonna be crazy. And standard disclaimer for all of my photography adventure videos, just because I show the picture here doesn't mean I think it's a great photo. These videos are about the most fun part of photography, the exploration and capturing phase. But to make a really good series requires some serious editing and killing a lot of photos that aren't great. But that won't make for a good video because I'm only going to take like 8 pictures and odds are none of them are going to be good. So you're probably going to see everything. Don't take that to think that I'm an egomaniac who thinks every picture he takes is amazing. They're not. Enjoy. So I forgot my light meter, which means I can go to the phone app and see what it says before I can reveal my very, very special subject. About 250 at 8. Let's start there. 1/2 step for good measure. So my very super secret photo subject today, Bob Dylan's house. Or is it that one, which is identical? I think if you're gonna have Bob Dylan live in your town, you can't have the same looking house side by side. Actually, it's that one. It has a plaque on it. Nailed it. I think I see something. Alright, so we got car, 2 flat tires, underneath half a winterization thing. It's an Amy Klobuchar sign. She might be president someday, boys. Perfect. Look at him. The good March sand sidewalk. Filthy. You ready for some potholes? Here we go. My God, it's a river. I think this is what Verdun was like. Oh. All right, day 1 is in the books. 2 scenes, 3 photos. Maybe, I think since I got all my shit together this morning, tomorrow I can get out in reasonable time. Oh, fucking snow. Ugh. Thanks to a good mix of wet, ugly weather and needing my car to haul stuff around, it's been 12 days since I last shut off the video. But today we're gonna get more photos made in our Fuji GW690III commute bike work adventure. God, the roads are terrible right now. I appear to have found myself some treasure. Let's see, what do we got? Snowy couch and mattress. And up here, it's a hot collection of recliners. I'm gonna photograph recliners because this is nature at its finest. Today I was smart enough to bring my light meter. Hey. This weekend. Sunny 16 if I ever seen one. Now that's what I call high art. I'll pop a quick photo here. We have like all the brown houses in Duluth in one spot with this really nice morning light. Hey everybody, it's Bob Dylan's house again. Say hi to Bob. Have a whole lot of construction going on, which might be super loud on this photo, but we're gonna take one anyways. Not the best lighting angle, but it still could end up being nice. Part of me really wants to shoot the back of this park bench with the lift bridge and be like, oh, it's so deep to ponder the lift bridge. But I'm not gonna do that. This is, however, a pretty impressive amount of snow, so I'm gonna go wander up on it and see what's on the other side. This way. Yeah, we got a guy over here just relaxing, lift bridge. Oh, yes. All right, I got one click left, so if I don't find anything cool between here and home, selfie time.
Downtown is 40 degrees. Top of the hill is supposed to be 60. This jacket's rated to go up to like 45, so might be a little sweat bath when I'm done. So the thing to know about my commute is that between work and home is about 400-foot elevation distance over 2 miles, which is cool because you get a lot of hill workout, but it sucks because it gets really hot. And today I had this added bonus where the weather said about 30 this morning and 40 to 45 on the way home. So I dressed in my appropriate outfit for that weather. Except what actually happened is, leaving work it was 45 at the bottom of the hill, or 41, and about 60 up here. My GPS says 55 right now, so I'm a very sweaty boy. So what I'm gonna do quick is, so I've never done with this camera, is take a selfie to finish off the roll while I sweat and have fogged up goggles. I'm not even sure if this camera can close focus enough to take a selfie, but I gotta set as close as it can go and we're gonna find out, I guess. And that's the roll. Dirt on the nozzle. And I can still taste the soap from when I washed it this morning. Apparently the 15 rinses I gave it weren't enough. Alright, let's go home.